Let me gas this shit right quick. 40 something, still got it. Fuck double platinum, I'm trying to go double profit. I'm in my own lane, that independent shit. They back fucking with me, 100,000 shit. I'm a pyramid, you a square. I got that from my nigga Shake the Mayor. Mr. Flamboyant is back, I cut my hair, they wanna see me go pop, but the streets won't let me take it there. As real as they come, it's a shortage on me. Authentic, organic, no MSG. The goofy can't understand me, they tardy, they truant, they hella late, they out of touch with the streets. Their favorite rapper is weak to me, they need to stop sleeping on me. See, I'm really from the game, man, I'm a whole nother pedigree. They don't build them like they used to no more. Man, I'm alone, bro, I'm made out of steel. These niggas made out of styrofoam. These industry ass niggas, fuck them. A&Rs that think that they rappers, fuck them. Set trippin' ass DJ, fuck them. Close-minded program directors, fuck them. Internet tough guys, fuck them. Managers that steal and lie, fuck them. Janky ass promoters, if they ain't rockin' with E40, fuck them. These funny ass acting commercialized rappers be killing me, but they wouldn't be shit without radio, BET, or MTV. Everybody wanna know how I got famous, how I became a celebrity. I did it independently, didn't nobody sign me, partner, I signed me. What the fuck do E40 be saying? Is he really from the game? People love me, man, I'm an icon, it's more than just my slang. People bug me, man, like a python, I squeeze on them, man. When you gon' retire? Probably when I expire. You might not see me on the TV channel, but in the hood I'm still hot, like the left sink handle. Mobster like Marlon Brando, keep it lit like a candle. Arsenal like Rambo, it's mandatory, I told a torch. I'm an intelligent heathen. Fuck Chico State Police, they ban me for no reason. And oh yeah, just to let you suckers know, I ain't rapping too fast, y'all just listening too slow. These industry ass niggas, fuck them. A&Rs that think that they rappers, fuck them. Set trippin' ass DJ, fuck them. Close-minded program directors, fuck them. Internet tough guys, fuck them. Managers that steal and lie, fuck them. Janky ass promoters, if they ain't rockin' with E40, fuck them. They thought I was this, but I was really that. I've been making records before some of y'all was in y'all daddy's nutsack. Raw than ever. Matter of fact, I think I'm better than I was hella years ago selling tapes out the liquor store. How many years was that, bro? I don't know. Probably 24, couple of decades or so. The late 80s about my dough. Did you pitch that blow? Man, I plead the fifth. How did you get rich then, though? Bitch, by doing this. Dedication and hard work, sweat and tears. This ain't luck. This one of the longest runs in any rap career, nigga. What? I got my name from drinking hella beers to the gut. Standing in front of my home, nicknamed by Derek Jones. Got a style of my own, put myself on, me and my own money. Just me and my family, I don't know nobody. But my fans and my folks are my real homies that be ready to scrap if somebody say something bad about me. These industry ass niggas, fuck them. A&Rs that think that they rappers, fuck them. Set trippin' ass DJ, fuck them. Close-minded program directors, fuck them. Internet tough guys, fuck them. Managers that steal and lie, fuck them. Janky ass promoters, fuck them. If they ain't rockin' with E40, fuck them.